Charlie Motley here with Charlie the Man News, where good news is good. We are here with 3 people who have just been back to the future to kill a T-Rex. Travis, Eccles, and Les Fritz just went back and they killed a T-Rex. Tell us about the past. Now that we're back at 2025, I've heard a few things have changed.
As in what things changing?
Yes, I've heard a couple things have changed.
Why does that sign look so weird? It didn't look like that before we left, right, Travis?
Yeah, it's been on Kyle this.
Eccles, I think you messed up.
Messed up? What are you talking about?
Why is there a celebration in Times Square right now? Y'all didn't hear? Disher won the election.
How long have we been gone?
Been gone.
What? Been gone. What? What did you do, Eccles? Nothing.
What's going on over here, fellas?
Nothing. Nothing. I think she saw the butterfly. He saw the butterfly on my shoe.
What's that on your foot? You better hide it.
I killed the
Hide it.
butterfly. I know what you did, Eccles. What?
Bah!
Oh, she's got it, bro.
Wait.
Yeah.